Well, hello, welcome to Tablescapes and Decor by Candy. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and I hope you're having a great day so far. So today I am going to be bringing you some tablescapes and decor ideas incorporating green and gold for your 2024 or whatever year this is when you watch this video, summer decor ideas. Now, this first tablescape, as you can see, I'm working with green and gold. I just love these plates. They're very bold. I found these plates as well as the matching cups and the teapot at Home Goods, and I've used them quite a bit. Really like them, and I think they play really nicely against the green. So for my green, I have some green linen, silk linen napkins, and those come from eFavorMart. And I also have those green placemats, and I think I probably purchased them from Ross. I've had them for some time, but I think that's where they come from. So I only have two, and so rather than putting them under each of the plates, as you can see, I just have them on the sides. Now for the centerpiece, I wanted to go a little bold, and that's typically what I love to do on this channel. And I have this floor vase to add all of the height, and then I have some white florals inside of the floor vase. The napkin rings that you see there come from eFavorMart, and the silverware I got on clearance from Home Goods. So, and that little piece you see there in the front is a DIY that I created on my DIY channel. All right, so I'll let you take a look at this. Let me know what you think. And then in a little bit, I'm going to show you what this setting looks like with a different centerpiece. All right, so now let's look at this same tablescape, but with a more scaled down centerpiece. And I really would love to know which of these you like, or do you like either one? With this, what I did is remove the extra tall floor vase, and I'm using a much shorter ginger jar, and I filled it with some pink silk florals. Now I did add a little bit more height with the gold and white cake stand, and I changed out the candle holders and added that little bit of pop of pink, and I also changed out, as you can see, the sugar and the creamer, but other than that, the settings stayed the same. So which do you like? Do you like the first one, which is a little bit more bold, a little bit more dramatic, or is this softer, scaled down look with a little bit of the pink to offset the green and the gold and the white? Does that appeal to you? I'd love to hear your thoughts. So, I kind of like the first one, but I'm okay with this look too. I think either one would work. And if this table setting is for family or there's going to be some conversations had at the table, then maybe the shorter centerpiece would be a good idea. Okay, so now I have a little bit of a bonus. This is another look at gold and green, and this time we're going to look at a tea station, or this could be a serving station, maybe a breakfast bar. Again, playing off the green and the gold. Now, this is one that I've shown on my channel before. I've done this, look with green and gold lots of times. It's, they're my favorite, probably a couple of the favorite color combinations that you'll see me do. So just to show you, talk a little bit about what I have here. So I'm using the same glassware, the Victoria stemware, and I have the matching Victoria candle holders in the back, as well as a Victoria style apothecary jar in the center. There I've got the little decorative pear, I should say. Now for the pop of the florals or the greenery, I have a little vase that I found at Home Goods and some green silk greenery in that, kind of flowing over the side. I'm using the green napkins again, but with different napkin rings this time. I've got those little golden pears. I'm using different sugar and creamer containers, as well as a different teapot. The linen is the same, except this time I'm also using not just the napkins, but I have a green linen cover over the entire stand that I have this set up on. And those mirror trays, or those decorative trays that you see, they came from Home Goods. So and the chargers in the back, I want to say they came from Ross, I believe. So, and it maybe Ross, maybe Home Goods, I'm not sure. I've had them for a while. Ross or Home Goods, let's leave it there. But anyway, let me know what you think about this setting. Is this one where you would serve breakfast or brunch, or would you use it as a tea station, a serving station? You could have your table set the way we looked at it, and then you could use this for your serving station. So thank you so much for watching. I hope I've given you some ways to use green and gold, and if you haven't subscribed, I hope you'll do that. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye bye.